Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about the Pond Dial Pack Tackle Kit from Zebco. This kit comes with one inline spinnerbait, one bobber, 4 split shots and 4 bait holder hooks, as well as 2 grubs and 2 jig heads. This kit features a 360-degree rotating carabiner that can be clipped anywhere for easy transport, as well as a rotating and locking clear plastic lid that offers accessibility to each individual tackle compartment. Now I'm going to run you through how to rig some of the tackle that comes in your Zebco Pond Dial Pack Tackle Kit. First, I'm going to show you how to rig the grub. It's very simple. All you have to do is tie the jig head onto the end of the line and then thread the grub up onto the jig head and you're ready to fish. Also in these kits, you have terminal tackle available to set up a live bait rig like I have here. About 6 to 8 inches above the hook, you want to crimp on a couple split shots, and then about 4 inches above those split shots, you want to put a bobber on the line. The cool thing about this rig is that it works for all types of live bait like night crawlers, crickets, or minnows. For more tips and tricks like this, visit zebco.com/academy.